Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle not in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 18th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no additional. So we've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the additional of the weekend edition. The weekend edition Saturday, September the 16th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So we have one puzzle left, the Tectonic aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 7121. Before I start, I always 21. Correction, 21. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here we have a single box already filled in, 1. Here we have another one, should be a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. Next question. Oh, here we have also 1 and a 2, same. I cannot fill this directly. Yes. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, can't see any triple boxes here. Quarter boxes then include the 4. Well, no quarter boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape that is this one, the Z or the S construction. If you rotate this, you will get the S. If you then flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember. This is a bit of too wide. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Do we have more? Yes. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. More? No. Only 3. Oh, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. The following shape. How about the L shape? The last shape, I believe. This is the last shape. When you see the L shape rotated, this is a rotated L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, maximum 6, maximum 6. Completed shapes, maximum 6 shapes. Alright, we got them all. Alright. Maximum 6, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Then. 1 and 2. Yeah, these 3 boxes. So the one can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If we place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 here, so it can be 2 over here. 2 should be here then. Well. Come on, these 3 boxes. So 1 and 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L shape. Should be here. Then. Come on. Well. Let me think. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. If this box is a 2, well, then is connected with that box should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there, so this box is also not a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. Oh yes, of course. It's connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. Then 3. Well, 1, 4, 5, 2, and 3. Need to think. 2, 5. Well. Get a 1 here. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Is connected with this box should be also a 1. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes here. Alright. Then this box can be a 2 because we have double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be a 2. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Then, yeah. Then. 1, 2. Well, this box cannot be a 5. I'm thinking. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 down, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this S construction for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. And let me think. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. It's connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 3. Need a 4 here. 2 and a 3. Well, these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3. And the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and the 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so not the solution place the 5 there. The 5 supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then I think this box should be a 4 because 1 can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 5 goes there, finish in 40 minutes. Wow. Definitely a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye bye. No, not later. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.